Hey, have you been looking for top quality traffic to build and grow your business with? Well, in this video, I'm going to go over a brief introduction of how to use Udemy solo ads and get the best quality traffic with Udemy. And I'm also going to show you a traffic source that you can get discounted high quality traffic for the whole month of July because there's promotions going on and you're going to want to get your hands on this traffic because it's going to help you to get results online. So I'm going to go over that in this video. And so let's get started. So basically, Udemy solo ads, if you're going to buy solo ads, you can come over here and check this right here and make sure it's at 50% sales. And you want to look at people's reviews, how many reviews they have, and their sales that they have in the cost. So these are the things that you want to look at. Normally, people on this first page here, if you have it 50% sales, they're the best people to actually get traffic from. But if you want to get your hands on high quality discounted traffic for the month of July, I would come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com. Now at profitbuilderstraffic.com, there's a very big promotion going on right now. And in this promotion, you can actually get high quality traffic and you could get support. So when you get traffic over here at Profit Builders Traffic, I help you with your traffic and your offers. I help you to make sure that the landing page and sales copy are congruent, and I want to make sure that you get high quality traffic from high quality sources, right? So that's a goal when you buy traffic from me. You're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So basically, you get a mix of different traffic from those sources, and my goal is to help you to get results. So when you order a traffic package from me, you can set up a strategy call, and I help people to manage your funnels and your offers. I help you to get as high as 85% opt-in rate on your paid traffic. So if you're getting solo ads consistently, you want to get as many people on your list as you possibly can, and then you want to sift and sort from there. So you want to know who opens, who clicks, you want to know who your most engaged people are, and then you want to send those people your emails, and that's who you actually want to talk to. It's people that actually want to hear from you. And a lot of people do solo ads the wrong way. So when you order a traffic package from me, you can book a strategy call, and I help you to do that stuff. And I help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates. And I help you to know how to get a very highly engaged list of people who really want to buy what you have to offer. So step one is you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier one and 100% tier one. Pick the one that works best for you. Step two is we do a campaign review and a strategy call. So in the strategy call, I look over your funnel. I give you tips on how to increase your conversions. I tell you how to keep your emails out of the spam box so that way people are actually getting your emails, because it could be possible your emails are going to spam, and if your emails are going to spam, you want to get that fixed immediately because you're getting traffic and nobody's actually seeing your emails, and that's a very, very big problem. So you want to actually get that fixed and corrected so people actually see your emails, because getting traffic and having nobody to see your emails is like pointless, right? So after your strategy call, that's when the traffic will start. So it starts after your strategy call, and here's some of the results that I've got for people. Here's 200 clicks of traffic, a 90% opt-in rate, 3 sales. Here's another one, 100 clicks on 1 sale. Here's another one, 15 sales from 200 clicks. Here's another one, sales, 2 sales, 1 upsell, and 2 trials. So these are all things that you can actually expect when you order traffic from me. But I can't guarantee sales, so it all depends on your funnel, your offer, things like that. But when you order from me, I help you with that stuff. So you can order right here, 90% tier one or 100% tier one. Now this is a discounted price, so understand that after July, these prices will go back up to the normal price. So you want to actually capitalize on your traffic and get it in bulk while you can. because it won't stay this way forever, right? It's only for the month of July, and your questions that you have, they're going to be answered down here. So you're going to want to check down here to see if your questions are down here, and if you have other questions, you can actually write me under this video. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And you can write me under this video if you have questions. If you have questions, also you could write me in here and it will go to the support box. You can reach out to me on Facebook. There's going to be a link below this video to my Facebook page and to my free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. So you could go to my free Facebook group. You could reach out to me on Facebook. You can also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video, so you can stay up to date when I upload new content. There's going to also be a link to the traffic store below this video as well. So if you're looking to get traffic, make sure you click on the link below this video and you could order your traffic. Then you can set up your strategy call. And I want the best for you. I want to make sure that you get results going into 2026. So make sure you order traffic from me so you can get the strategy call, because the strategy call is going to be more valuable than any traffic package that you could possibly buy. You're going to want to get that traffic package and then book the strategy call, right? So I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.